Hey guys, it's John with Revenant Motors, and today we're checking out a super clean 1970 Mustang fastback. Now this is a factory yellow 302 automatic. It's also yellow from the factory. And it's got the grabber package. Now from what I understand, the grabber package is basically that C stripe right there. Dual sport mirrors, painted sport mirrors. And this car was, from what we were told, instead of getting a Boss 302, this buyer opted out and got something cheaper for insurance purposes. And I've been told that the fastback 302 is actually a little bit lighter than the Boss. It's kind of cool. That stripe is a strobe stripe. You can see that it changes colors when the light hits it. And I will say that the restoration on this car, I mean, it's nut and bolt. Super nice, beautiful paint job. Make sure you take a look at the photos of the underside of the car. All the gaps, everything is just really nice and clean, nice and straight. Somebody spent a lot of money restoring this Mustang. See, all the trim is brand new, chrome. Exhaust tips are nice. The wing's new. No cut corners on this car. As far as the way it drives just as good as it looks, like a brand new Mustang. If you're looking for a Mustang that's just hop in and go, that's show quality, this is definitely one of the nicer of this body style that I've seen here at the shop. Like I said, it's all new. I mean, the lock gasket, the doors, door handle gaskets, door handles, it's all brand new. We do have a Marty report here. I'll include those photos in the ad. Super clean door skins, brand new sill plates. See, the interior has been completely refinished. Nice brand new dash pad. Gauges all look super nice. Super clean door jambs as well. Don't see any overspray. Nobody's tried to doll this car up for selling purposes. This was a loved car, a pampered car. You can just tell. Like I said, it's all brand new, guys. We'll get under the hood here. You can see that, again, they went through everything on this car. And the 302 has been replaced with a really strong running 351. Engine has no issues. Doesn't seem like there's any bugs to sort out on it. Just a beautiful example of a 1970 fastback. All right, we'll go ahead and fire her up, see how she sounds. Doesn't load up, doesn't shake, no smoking. This car's dialed in. Now I know that there's always things here and there with classic cars, you know, they're old cars, and I understand, but this Mustang, I've really found no issues with it. said, we do have a radio. Gauges all look to be working. Nice sound system. Like I said, guys, this car drives really nice. You don't hear, like, all of the rubbers all sealed it nice. You don't hear any of the road noise or no wind coming through the doors. Brakes stop really nice. So you got the turn signal. Got a lot of torque, good throttle response. Like I said, excellent run in 351. And usually I can tell if a car has been restored over time. You know, maybe they do a little bit, drive them, then do more. It seems to me like just everything on this car was just done at the same time, and it's just, again, it's like a brand new Mustang. Go ahead and do another pull over here. By the way, it also shifts flawless. See the speedo's working as well. Really puts you back in your seat. So if you guys are interested in this beautiful Mustang, give me a call, 248-212-2724. Ask for John. You can also email me at revenantmotors@yahoo.com.